Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the finished section of Highway 2000 that runs from Maypen to Mandeville. Now this highway is currently under construction and it's scheduled to be completed in March 2023. However, the section that we're driving on now is finished. As you can see, it's going to be a dual carriageway, 4 lanes, and this section will run from the Rio Mena Bridge in Maypen to the Williamsfield roundabout in Manchester. So Highway 2000 is a project to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay, but because the highway would be too expensive to build in one go, they decided to build it in sections. So this is a section we're driving on that is from Maypen to Mandeville. The Kingston to Maypen leg of the highway is open, it's up and running, and the Maypen to Mandeville one is what we're driving on now. And then when they finish this, they'll build the Manchester to Montego Bay leg of the highway. So this highway is going to have 2 additional toll plazas, this leg of the highway. So to drive from Kingston to Maypen now is 2 toll plazas, and then from Maypen to Mandeville is an additional 2, so you're going to have 4. And they're going to be building an interchange. The work will include provision of street lamps for the ramps, the building of interchanges, the toll plaza area, safety fences, concrete median barriers, fiber optic facilities, emergency telephone system, closed circuit telephone system. A new interchange will be built at Clarendon Park with a link road from the highway to the main road at a traffic signal controlled intersection. This is phase 1C of Highway 2000, which is being executed under the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now remember, this is the Highway 2000. The highway is Highway 2000, but the funding is coming through the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. But it might be a little confusing because that project is also building, a part of that project is also to build a highway from Harborview to Port Antonio. So it's a little confusing. But this segment of the highway now that we're driving on is 90% complete, or the entire highway is 90% complete. And it's going to be a toll road, so the National Road Operating and Constructing Company, NROC, oversees the project. Anytime you hear the name NROC, you know it's a toll road. And as we said, it's going to be 4 toll plazas between Kingston and Mandeville. Alright, so this highway is going to run from the where the existing highway ends, which is at the roundabout by Maypen. It will go across the Rio Mena Bridge and head towards the Williamsfield roundabout. Now, when this highway meets the Melrose Hill bypass, another interchange is going to be built there, so you can access the highway from the Melrose Hill bypass. But the paperwork or the project was for the highway to take over the alignments of the bypass, but it's not going to interfere with the existing road. The highway will use certain parts of it. It will run beside it at some points, but basically there will be no toll on the Melrose Hill bypass. That section of the road will still be free for persons who want to use it and not have to pay toll. Alright guys, enjoy the tour, the rest of the tour of the road, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.